Welcome back, and this is tutorial basic CSS. Now I want to show you what is gradient. So let's create container and the box again and see, and in main.css I want to create, you see it is empty, but now you see I'm has a fill. So I want to see in my browser what is gradient inside. So let's create background WebKit linear gradient and white, red and green. Let's grab a couple of seconds for another browser or prefix. Okay, now you can see inside here, right here, you can see I'm using red color and transition to be green. What happen if I change it to be yellow, for example, and what happened? And see, and you see this is very trouble gradient. So what happened again if I change to be left, the color of red will be here, right here. So now let's create left and see what happened. Okay, I think specify for another browser. I'm working inside Chrome. So you see I have color red and transition to be yellow and followed by green. So what happened if I change to be 5% and see, you get this really green color. But if I go to left, I see the transition will be go to yellow, and then right here I'm going to see a transition to be red. So this is the functionality. So if you wanna make something like a plug, for example, I wanna make this to be red and white, and see what's happened. You got this, and then I wanna make 5% inside here and 5% inside here. Okay, 50, I think 50, I think. So that's great. You don't see because because the background is white. So body, I wanna change to be background, going to be yes, like this, and see what we got. We got the flag, and change to be 2, and really extremely easy to make a flag. So, and then what happen if I get this with 10 pixel and see nothing happen. But if I get empty for white and see that is, and then I wanna change to be 60% and see, this is very big for red and little for white. I think that's very trouble gradient. If you're good, as I said before in the review movie, you will know what is interesting in your design. So now let's create like dry and okay, like this. You see, this is very interesting gradient, and I want to make a background. I'm using gradient, but you must know what is awesome in your gradient. Okay, and all right. I think you understand what I'm saying. In okay, so in the next part, I'm going to show you more interesting in CSS. So okay, keep on the eye and see you in the next video.